You are watching Travel World Online.
Hi, we are having a convention, 38th IATO convention in Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, which was formerly known as Aurangabad. This year's convention is very important for us because we are just coming out of all the problems what we had in last 2-3 years due to pandemic and all. And that's why we have chosen a very appropriate theme for this convention, that how to make our business sustainable and what are the trends, popular trends in the tourism trade. So we'll discuss all this during our sessions. We'll have a special session on sustainable business trends, and also session with the states, with the hotel, and different sessions on connectivity. And then we'll have a special session on technology where we are invited guys from the technological field, and we'll talk about like how we can take tourism in future, because without technology we are limited to very lesser means of tourism. So if you want to progress in tourism, then we must have the use of technology, but many of us don't know how to use it. So we'll discuss that in that session. And apart from this, we have lots of time we have kept for question and answers, and also for the networking for all the delegates. We're very happy that we have over 800 registrations, and we are easily thinking that we'll be there. Approximately we'll get 900 plus delegates during the convention.
Burning issues. So, are you planning to address those issues during this convention?
Yeah, of course. Tourism, inbound tourism needs really a big push at this moment, because we need lots of marketing, visibility in the international market, and there where the government role plays an important part. And that's why we will discuss this with the central government. There will be officials from there, and also with the state governments. So there will be like approximately 15 states are participating, and there will be officials from those states also. So we need to have a plan for the marketing for next couple of years, so that India can be placed properly among the players in the world, actually tourism players in the world. So we hope during the convention we'll get some important facts out of the discussions what we have during the sessions, and we'll create a white paper after the convention and circulate it to the different state governments and the central government.
All are the key speakers this time?
We'll have like our sessions will have eminent speakers. Like before, we'll have speakers from Taj Group, Mr. Praveen Chandar is there. Then we'll have from Fortune Hotels, ITC, CEO ITC is there. Then we have Royal Orchid, Mr. Balji is there. Then we have Mr. Jain from Pride Hotels. So we have prominent speakers from the hotel industry, and then on the technology sector also we have the Cordilla founder. We have from Trip Factory Nexus, and we have one guy from it's a new startup Tech. And apart from this, we have also speakers during the connectivity session from the airlines, government, from Mumbai Port Trust chairman will be there, and lots of other speakers who can put their thought in front of all the delegates and take up their question and answers.
IATO convention is not just about knowledge sharing; it's all about fun. So, what is the highlight of this year's entertainment?
We want delegates to not only to talk business whole day. So we have set up some great evening for them, and we have invited few of Bollywood singers to perform every evening. There will be different singers, and then we'll have a karaoke evening where we took entries from our members who want to sing and participate. So there will be fun activities. We have IATO run as usual in the morning. So we have a few team building activities as well, so that people can enjoy. And post convention, we'll have some fam trips, or 200 odd members will go to different places in Maharashtra. Apart from Ajanta Lara, they will go to Shirdi, they will go to Nasik, Jyotirlings. They will go to Sula Vineyard for wine tasting and all. So we have created some entertainment activities as well for the delegates.
You are watching Travel World Online.